Hello, my name is Lillian and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I twist my hair. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. If you watch my last video, then I'm sure you can tell that I'm wearing the same shirt, and that's because it's the same day. So finally the sun is out, and if I know that the sun was going to come out, maybe I would have waited a little longer, and maybe by now I'll be wearing a very nice looking straw set, but I could not wait. So now I'm going to be doing mini twists for my hair. So for those of you that are wondering how often I manipulate my hair in a week, well, very often. Anyway, so this is the same day as I did my last video, like the takedown of my straw set. So my hair is pretty much stretched, moisturized, blah blah blah, and all of those things. It's very important whenever you are doing a protective style, start on freshly moisturized and stretched hair, and also detangled hair. My hair is also detangled right now. So I'm doing tiny twists. This is my first time doing mini twists, like very mini tiny twists since I went natural. I usually do twists, like medium sized twists that I like to call mini twists, but I've never really done the tiny twists, like tiny mini twists, the real mini twist. I've never really done that. So this is how big the section I'm going to be doing is. So I'll bring that out, put the rest in the bun. I'll divide the hair into 2 equal parts, and then twist. I'm basically just like turning the hair this is how to twist. So I don't know how to explain it, but it's pretty easy. As once you start practicing, it's going to get a lot easier. My hair is detangled, so that's why I don't bother detangling my hair, and that's why it's important for you to detangle your hair before you start to do protective style. That will just make the whole process faster and easier for you. Like especially when you're doing mini twists. If you start on dry tangled hair, it's going to just make the whole process very time consuming and tiring for you. So I recommend that you moisturize your hair and detangle it like a day or 2 before you want to do the style, so that on that day you're basically just going to start without doing all the preparations. So when I get to the ends, I'll just like twirl that part around my finger. I don't know if you can see my ends curling up, but like my ends do not curl up on a normal day. I think the products I used in my last video made this happen, and I think I'm happy. So my failed straw set is actually helping me for my twists. So as usual, I do not use a comb for parting my hair. I use my hands whenever I'm doing, because I feel like if you're doing mini twists, there's really no point using a comb because parts are still going to get covered at the end of the day. So you might as well just use your fingers. But if you want, you can use a comb. I should also tell you that if you're doing mini twists, because it's time consuming, I recommend that you assume a very comfortable position. Probably get a movie and do it while you're watching a movie or something. That will just make time go by really fast, and before you know it, you're done twisting your entire head, instead of just like sitting in front of the mirror and doing everything all at once. You can take breaks in between, that'll just make it easy for you. If you've watched my previous protective style tutorial, you know that I like to do my styles loosely. This will help to give your hair a little bit more body and more volume than making the styles tight. So of course it's not going to be any different for my twist. So like I'm not twisting tightly, you know, I'm like giving some space in between the two, so like the twists are kind of loose. This will also reduce how fast your hair will lock up. Like if you intend to wear the style for a long period of time, if you make it loose, it's going to reduce how much locking you're going to get, as opposed to if you make the twist tight. When I get to the end, I try it around my finger. I'm not using it, like I said, my hair is like completely moisturized right now. There is really no need to apply any other product. And if I have any strand hanging down, as usual, I'll take my pearl scissors and cut it. I feel like when it comes to styles like twist styles, braid outs, sets, rod sets, straw sets, you know, stuff like that, I feel woefully. Like I'm very bad at doing out styles. Maybe because maybe I'm just lazy in that aspect. But when it comes to doing like twists, braids, and, you know, stuff like that, that's where I show myself. So those styles are easy for me, but out styles are difficult. Like I can follow a tutorial, a YouTube tutorial step by step, and I'll still end up with a fail. I think throughout my 4 years being natural, I've only gotten like an out style maybe probably 2 or 3 times, and that's why you hardly see me wearing my hair in a twist out, like a twist out afro or braid out, or, you know, something like that. Most times I wear my hair in buns and puffs and, you know, twist braids, you know, those kind of styles are the styles I wear, because those are the styles that I know how to do really well. But I really want to start doing more out styles, and that's why I've been practicing. I think maybe with a little bit more practice I'll be good at those styles, but for now you guys are going to have to bear with me because I have a feeling that I'm going to be making even more fail videos in the future. So let me show you guys all the twists, how small the twists are. This is what it looks like, the end coil. Like I'm really happy with this coiling of the ends. Like this is so unlike my hair. If you've not watched my the last video I'm talking about, I'm going to leave it in the card so you can go and see for yourself. But I really like how my ends are coiling up right now. Anyway, like I said, if you're doing this hairstyle, you should assume a very comfortable position, and this is not a comfortable position for me. So I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my hair, and probably come back show you guys the front or the finished results. So it's the next day and I'm done doing my hair. I actually finished twisting my whole hair yesterday, but it started to rain and it got too dark for me to film, so that's why I did not come back yesterday to show you guys. So yeah, my hair is fully done. And of course shrinkage has started to do its thing. So it took me a total of 7 hours to twist my whole head. I hope I'm going to wear this style for a little long, because if I don't, that will just defeat the point of spending 7 hours doing my hair. So let me give you guys the back view. that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.